Salut et bonjour. You're going to go ahead and take out your cahier. So pause this video and get your cahier out. Merci beaucoup. Voilà, maintenant, now that you have your cahier out, you're going to, I see there's a little bit of a glare. You're going to title your notes, you know how we do it right at the top, le partitif. And then the important part here is you're going to write de. Everybody say it, de. It's not pronounced de or d, it's de. And it means of or from. We talk about l'anniversaire de Charlotte. Charlotte's birthday. Oui, la maison de madame. Madame's house, the house of. So we're going to talk a little bit about les partitifs aujourd'hui. So copy this down, pause, copy, and then put your pencil down. All right, welcome back. What do we have here? What do we have here, mesdames et messieurs? Oui, un gâteau. Un gâteau. Oui, un gâteau. Comment dit-on, I would love a cake? I would like a cake. Je voudrais. Now again, your pencils are down. You're not copying anything down right now. Oui. Je voudrais un gâteau. Je voudrais un gâteau. Parfait. And what does that mean? I would like a cake. I want a cake that looks just like that one. Right? If you would like to get a different color, now would be the time. Good. I would like a cake. I'm going to bring you a little closer so you can copy. Oui, I would like a cake. You know what? I actually want the cake there. Je voudrais le gâteau. I want the cake. If I have a choice between cake and baguette, I would like the cake. Oui? So I'm going to say, je voudrais le gâteau. Oui, I would like the cake. Oui, je voudrais un gâteau. Je voudrais le gâteau. I would like a cake. I would like the cake. But you know what? I don't actually want to eat the entire cake. I just want some cake. Just somebody give me some cake. Oui, so you're at a party and it is time for dessert. It's time for dessert. And they bring out, un gâteau. Ça, c'est le dessert. Un gâteau au chocolat. Oui, and they offer you some cake. And you say, yes, I would like some cake. Oui, here we go. We're going to say I would like some of the cake. Now, you guys are already starting to put that together, aren't you? All right? Oh, merci beaucoup. I want some of the cake. Now, this is not yet the word for slice. That's not the word for slice yet. So, we're going to still stick with the je voudrais. And then I'm going to come over here and put gâteau. Simply because we're going to work your smarts. Comment dit-on le gâteau? Now, you're not copying this, so you're not writing anything down. Le. Oui? Now, we don't say some. We just say, I would like of the cake. The some is implied. So we're going to take de. Oui? Now, some of you may remember, I said this before, but I haven't really taught it. The French don't say de le. Je voudrais de le gâteau. No. De plus le becomes du. Je voudrais du gâteau. Everybody say it. Je voudrais du gâteau. Bravo. Excellent. Je voudrais du gâteau. Oui, I would like some of the cake. So, où est l'effaceur? What? I would like some of the cake. I would like of the cake. Oui? So this du is where it is the idea some of the. Oui? Now, is gâteau masculin ou féminin? I know you know. We've got un, we've got le, there's no I at the end. Oui, correct, masculin. Merci beaucoup. Oui? So, gâteau is masculin. Ça, c'est très important. Oui? Alright, so, mesdames et messieurs, maintenant, je veux bien que vous sortez une couleur différente. Sortez un stylo rouge, bleu, noir, rose, rouge, violet, vert, whatever color. And copy this down. You've already got le partitif. You've already got de. Now I want you to copy down. Je voudrais un gâteau. I would like a cake. Je voudrais le gâteau. I would like the cake. And this is an E. I don't know what happened to it. Je voudrais du gâteau. I would like some of the cake. So freeze and copy. All right, welcome back. Nice copying. Now we're going to put your pencils back down and freeze for just a moment. Voila. What do I have here? This is the breakfast, preferred breakfast en France. C'est une baguette avec beurre et confiture. That is jam and butter. So I would like a baguette. Oui, going to the boulangerie. I'm going to the bakery, the boulangerie, to get une baguette so I can take it home to my guests and feed my children some lovely tartine, which is just a breakfast baguette with some stuff on it. So I've got to order myself une baguette. So how am I going to say I would like a baguette? You're right. Here we go. Your pencils are down, but you know what's coming. So je voudrais une baguette. Now, I know we're noticing the une here. I know that we are. I would like a baguette. I would like a baguette. Oui? Bravo. Facile. What are we noticing about baguette? It is féminin. Oui? Bravo. Féminin. That's enough. Oui? What about, I would like the baguette. Which one? That one. The baguette. You can come in. Oui? Je voudrais la baguette. You have a choice of croissant ou baguette. You're going to say la baguette. Je voudrais la baguette. Voila. So what are we going to want next? Correct. We want some of the baguette. Oui? Here we go. Again, we're not learning the word for slice. We just want some of the baguette. Oui? You're at a friend's house and they offer baguette and you say, yes, I want some of the, or just of the baguette. So you may think you're smart, but watch this. We're going to stick with the same formula. Je voudrais. And then we're going to come over here with baguette. Oh, my goodness. All right, baguette. Now, how do you say the I want some of the. Oui, correct. There you go. La. And how do you say of? That's right. De. Je voudrais de la baguette. Now, luckily, the French are okay with saying je voudrais de la baguette. You don't have to change this to anything. You don't have to change it to du. Oui, you can just say je voudrais de la baguette. Isn't that refreshing? Yes, it is. So, there you go. I would like of the baguette. Oh, wrong way. Je voudrais de la baguette. Très facile, oui? All right, so let me copy this and then it's going to be your turn to freeze and copy. I would like some of the baguette. Voila. Okay. Freeze here and copy this down because baguette is féminin. So it's je voudrais une baguette, je voudrais la baguette et je voudrais de la baguette. Oui, bravo, excellent. Copy this down. I'm going to grab my mask. So yes, this is what Senora Lucas and I have to do. Oui. Welcome back. Now, you may be thinking, we learned the word for some. I know this looks weird. Don't laugh. And it is des. Remember we talked about some? It would be des feuilles de papier. So now that we've done masculin and féminin, we're going to do les pluriels. Oui, so here you go. You're going to copy this down. You can put a little étoile. You can get another color out. You don't have to. I'm just doing it in bleu. So this is some when it's masculine and feminine, pluriel. Ça, c'est très, très, très important. Oui? So what if I want many baguettes? Beaucoup de baguettes. Oui? C'est très simple. Des baguettes. What if I got to get a couple cakes? I got to get some cakes. I got to go to the store. I'm having 20 people over because that's COVID appropriate. And I need 2 cakes. I need some cakes. The same thing. We get to say des gâteaux. And now, you smarties may remember, just like tableau and bureau, when you have this E-A-U, we make an X at the end. Otherwise, it's always an S. So let's take another example that is masculin. Croissant. I gotta get some croissant. I gotta get a lot of croissant. Beaucoup de croissant. I'm gonna get des croissants. Oui? Excellent. All right, you're gonna work on a little worksheet that you're just going to draw the difference between, so in the little block, you'll see it'll say un croissant, du croissant, and des croissants. So let me show you exactly what you're going to be doing. Now, you have the choice to get a printed off copy and draw, or you can use clip art that you find on the internet and just drag it into the worksheet. Either way, some of you who are artistique, you can ask for a printed off copy, and there is one. All right, so this is the example. Oui? And it will say un croissant or du croissant, or maybe it says des croissants. All right, un croissant means what? A croissant. So you're either going to drag your clip art in, or you're going to do your best croissant drawing. Oh, that's such a good croissant. Oui? You're okay. You're good. My students are coming. So, du croissant. What does that mean? What am I going to draw? Oh, yes. That's right. Some croissants. So maybe I'll just have a little taste of yours. I don't want the whole thing. Oui, I just want a little taste. Some croissants, du croissant. Now I've got des croissants. What am I going to have? Multiple croissants. You are correct. Bravo. You may notice from my fantastic art skills that croissant is just the French word for crescent, like a crescent moon. Oui, croissant. So un croissant is a croissant, du croissant some, des croissants many, some many croissants. This S is also going to give you the clue. Oui? All right, mesdames et messieurs. Merci beaucoup. I hope some of you draw because you know how much I love seeing your drawings. Oui? Okay, ciao. If you have any questions on the meet next week, we will discuss them. Merci beaucoup.